guys, welcome to Jay's Delectables. Care to make some sweet pops for your next event? Then try this simple recipe for making smooth and velvety cake pops. You don't need to bake your own cake for that. You can take any store-bought cake or muffins for that matter. I bought muffins because I couldn't find any plain chocolate cake. So anyways, I wanted to make color contrasting cake pops in this video. So I chose a plain light colored Madeira cake and dark colored chocolate muffins for this. So first we'll trim off the brown edges around the plain cake. This is to achieve an even texture and color when making the cake balls. For the chocolate muffins, we will only remove the liners at the base. If you find any chocolate chips in the muffins, you can remove them. Now prep your sweetmeats into a fine crumble. So I'm gonna make two types of frosting. Vanilla frosting for the plain cake and caramel frosting for the muffins. For the vanilla frosting, we'll take 1 stick of butter, 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of double cream, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now beat all the ingredients till the frosting becomes soft and fluffy. Add the cake crumble to the frosting and mix it thoroughly. Nice, the crumble has taken a smooth and velvety texture. I'm gonna add some rainbow sprinkles to the cake dough to give it a nice pop of color. Mix it well and your cake dough is prepared. Now for the muffin frosting, we'll take the same ingredients in the same quantity as before, apart from 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce instead of vanilla essence. Repeat the mixing procedure, add muffin crumble to the frosting, and prepare a smooth dough. Mix it properly so that the frosting is completely absorbed into the crumble. It's gonna take a little effort on your hands as the mixture is dense and sticky. This time I'm adding some milk chocolate beans, mix it together, and our muffin dough is ready. Now it's time to prepare the cake balls. Try and shape them as round as possible, as the smoother shape of the cake balls will ensure an even chocolate coating. The size of the cake balls should be in proportion with the popsicle sticks, because if the popsicle stick is short or thin, it might not handle the weight of the cake ball. After preparing the cake balls, put them in the fridge for around 3 to 4 hours. If you want to get these done quickly, you can put them in the freezer for half an hour. This will help in solidifying their shape. For the chocolate coating, I'm melting white chocolate in a double boiler. You can also melt the chocolate in a microwave, but I find double boiling safe and convenient as it will not burn the chocolate. We'll add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to the chocolate. This will add a nice luster to the chocolate and make it flowy and smooth. Now to attach the cake ball to the popsicle stick, It's best to make an indent into the center of the cake ball using the stick. Dip the popsicle into the melted chocolate and place it into the indent of the cake ball. This will work as glue to hold the cake ball. Now comes the tricky part of coating the cake balls. Here I'd advise to bait the cake ball with the chocolate by using a spoon. You can take the chocolate little by little with the help of spoon and coat the cake ball. After coating, swirl the popsicle to tap off extra chocolate. You can also coat the cake ball by swirling it into the melted chocolate, but I find it risky because while swirling, the weight of the chocolate might slide the cake ball off the popsicle and you might end up having a few casualties. Ta-da! Here's my makeshift popsicle rack. After coating, place the popsicles into the cake pop stand. Now's the time for decoration as the chocolate is still warm. You can decorate them however you want. I am using some funky colored sprinkles and mini candy hearts. After finishing with the decorations, you can put the stand in the fridge for around 15 minutes. This is for the chocolate to cool off and for the confetti to hold its place. We'll repeat the same procedure with the dark chocolate. You can also use candy melts of different flavors, but I am sticking to classic chocolate pops. So here I've coated the dark colored muffin cake balls with white chocolate and light colored plain cake balls with dark chocolate to create the contrast. So we coat all the plain cake balls with dark chocolate. Here for the decoration, I'm using some white chocolate stars, some chocolate curls, and milk chocolate beans. Don't mind the messy fingers as this will happen, because creativity dwells in mess. If there's any chocolate drip on the popsicle stick, you can wipe it off. You can also make different designs on the cake ball using the chocolate, instead of coating them completely with the chocolate. I am resorting to some squiggly patterns. Sprinkles on the top, and your cake pop is ready for the catwalk. You can use all sorts of decorations like edible glitters, drizzles, molds, and ribbons for the popsicle sticks. Decorate your dessert tables with these party-perfect bouquets of cake pops. And cherish your happy moments with a pop of sweetness. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow for more happy, snappy recipes.